God bless you so much. Welcome to Emadek TV. We give you nothing but the best. This is time with Emadek. Today we have a very interesting topic for you all, but I want you to know that those who are helping us to come in your way with this interesting topic, Gateway Senior High School. Gateway Senior High School are located in Sunyani. If in case you want to write WASI so that you get a better grade to be able to go to the university to pursue all forms of degrees that you are interested in, just contact Gateway Senior High School. Their number is on the screen. Also, Samji Casual Fashion Clinic. Samji Casual Fashion Clinic are into dressmaking, all kinds of designs. Just call them if it is engagement, wedding, any program at all you want to attend. Just call Samji Casual Fashion Clinic, and trust me, they will do justice to you. They will do justice to the dressings that you want. Anything that will make you look good and better is what you have to call Samji Casual Fashion Clinic for them to design a costume, a nice dress for you. They are also located in Sunyani. Their number is on the screen. Contact them. Today, I have a very interesting topic for you all. And the topic is how to propose to a woman in 2022. How to propose to a woman in 2022. So there has been so many ways that we, the guys out there, especially this goes to the guys, there have been so many ways out there that the ways that the guys used to propose to the ladies since 2021, since 2003, 95, 96. But this time around is how to propose to a woman in 2022. You see, most of the times when we propose to a lady, there have been a time that the ladies will tell you, please, I'm going to think about it. And we could wait for like a year, a month or two. Something like sometimes quite a number period of months or years before a woman would come out boldly to say, okay, I have accepted your proposal. But come to think of it, even though we still wait for all these months or years for a woman to come out to say, yes, I've accepted your proposal, at the end of the day, this relationship, one way or the other, still sometimes breaks down. It's either the woman will tell you that I have found another guy, or the man will still leave the woman and move on. So now I'm going to give you just a tip of how you are going to propose to a woman, because it doesn't matter how long she will wait to respond to your interest in her, whether the very day or whether it takes 3 months or 4 months. There's still possibility that you guys can break up along the line, or it can lead to something good or better in future. So this is what I want to tell the guys. If you meet a woman and you propose to her and she says she's going to think about it, trust me, if you meet a woman for the first time and you take her contact, please make sure that very day, you tell her you like her. Tell her that you are interested in her and you want to go into a relationship with her. Don't go about beating about the bush by telling her you want to be a friend. No. Because the ladies are already aware that about 90% of the guys that takes their contact end up telling them they love them. So the very first time you meet a lady and you take her contact, please make sure you tell her you love her. Okay? The very first time you take a woman's contact, please make sure you tell her that you love her, especially when you know that that is the reason why you took her contact. Don't hesitate. Don't let it take like 2 years, 2 months, 1 month, 2 weeks, 3 days. No, don't waste time. That very day, if you get a chance to call her and she picks the call or she answers your call, just tell her you love her. Propose to her and tell her that you love her. Let her know that the very moment you set your eyes on her, you got interested in her and you can't even control yourself, and that you love her. Secondly, after you propose to her, make sure that she accepts it that very day. It's like what I'm talking about sounds crazy, man, but that's the truth. Make sure she accepts your proposal that very day. If she says she's going to think about it, let her know that no, you are not ready to wait for her to think about it. She has to accept it that very moment. Yes. Let her accept that very moment. Don't allow her to say she's going to think about it, because trust me, whether she thinks about it 3 years, 4 months, 1 month, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Whatever answer that she has for you, the moment you started talking to her, she got the answer already. Please, the moment you started talking to her, she got the answer already. So just go straight to the point and make sure that she accepts your proposal. Make sure that she accepts your proposal. So when she tells you she's going to think about it, tell her that no, please, no, I can't wait for you to think about it. Do you know that you going to think about all these things is just going to waste time? Just let me know whether you are interested, whether yes or no. And trust me, you are going to get your answer right there. If she says no, no problem. But if she says yes, thirdly, if she says yes to your proposal, please don't keep on talking too much. Because if you end up talking too much, you'll be bragging. You'll be saying certain things that you cannot do. But then the moment she says yes, thank her. Just tell you, thank her. God bless you for accepting me in your life. And just let her know that she's not going to regret ever accepting you to be in her life. But don't talk too much. Don't try to talk too much. Just thank her and bless her for accepting you into his life. Thirdly, make sure that before you hang up the call, ask her if she's a Christian and she says yes. Ask her to pray for you and her to bless the new relationship that you guys are coming to start. Ask her to bless the new relationship that you guys are coming to start. Why am I saying this? This will let her, if she's a Christian, this will let her get the fair idea that you are also a Christian and that you love God. Okay? So once she has said to herself that she needs a God-fearing guy, she needs a man who is God-fearing, a man who is loving and caring, just that moment will set you into one of her category. Okay? Because she will understand the fact that it's only God-fearing men that after proposing to a woman will tell the woman, thank you so much, God bless you. And then after everything will request the woman to pray before he hangs up the call. So it is a plus for you. Trust me, it is a plus for you. So don't go about beating the bush, like running around the truth. No, just go straight and hit the hammer on the nail. Okay, just hit the hammer on the nail by telling her, please, I love you, and make sure that the moment you say that, she will accept your proposal. The moment you tell her you love her, she will accept your proposal. Make sure she accepts the proposal before she hands up the call. If she's not going, let's her basic that. What I'm trying to say is that let her accept whether to be with you or not. Let her give you an answer. Okay, let her give you an answer. Don't wait for her to say, I'm going to think about it and those stuff. No, you don't have time for that. And please, don't talk too much. After everything, when she says yes, don't talk too much. Just thank her. Just thank her for coming into your life. Thank her for coming into your life. And then lastly, like I said, ask her to pray if she's a Christian. Ask her to pray before she hands up the call. And that will put you at a certain category in her life, at a certain stage plus in her life. Because if she has decided to be with a God-fearing man, then trust me, at that moment, you will be seen as a God-fearing man in her life, and she's going to love you from day one to the time that maybe you guys will get fed up with each other, or maybe you end up dying together as couples. God bless you. These are the tips that I want to give it to you guys, and trust me, you will love it. Keep watching Emadek TV and keep supporting us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and help us for our videos to go viral, so that we can keep on doing a lot of work for you, entertainment, things that will get you interested in watching our videos. These are what we are requesting from you. Please subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Emadek TV. Bye.